ass Hot Wheels collector here. Just opened up a box here at Dollar General. They gave me a box finally. And let's put it on the floor here just so you guys can see the cars, the new cars that have been coming out. Right here we got the Treasure Hunt Miata. Heck yeah, dude. I was looking for that one. Cool little drift car there. Taking that one. Nope, not the Supra. Putting that one on the pegs. They got some good cars in here. I see the 67 Chevelle. Taking that one. The big muscle car guy. What else is there? Oh, Z28. Taking that one. Let's see what else do they got. We got some other good stuff here. A Lancia. A lot of collectors of that one. Ooh, and this one. The Custom 70 Honda N600. That was pretty cool, but I'm not that much of a JDM fan, so I don't think I'll take it. Leave that guy for the other collectors, but I'm gonna get to the bottom of this case and I'll be right back. We're here getting to the bottom of the case. Let's see if there's anything on the bottom. By what I could tell from, no, there's nothing at the bottom, so better luck next time, you know. But let's see. Yeah, no, nothing really at the bottom. I was hoping for an ID chase at least, but it's alright. At least we got the Treasure Hunt Miata. But yeah, there's that new recolor, the Koenigsegg Jesko. I already have plenty of those though, so ooh, this is one JDM car I love, so I'm taking one for the photo. And yeah, there's another one of these, but might leave that one for the collector. But yeah, catch you guys at home.
So I'm back from the hunt, and yeah, so I was in school, and Josh texted me that he got a new box of Hot Wheels, but I was in school, so I was like, oh man. But I texted him back during my break, and I asked him if he can, you know, save the box for me, and yes, he did, and it was sealed and everything. This lady named Melissa, she cut open the box for me and things like that, and she, you know, gave it to me. And here are my top finds. First one, let's get straight into it. Now, this, I forgot to mention, this video might be up today, which is Thursday, or either Friday, because right now I have a lot of homework. So, this video might be up today, which is Thursday, or either tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so tomorrow would be more of a good choice, but I'll do my best to try and post it today, which is Thursday. Here's the 67 Chevelle Super Sport 396. Now, this was a badass car to get, because you know me, I'm a freaking muscle car guy. Part of the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series, 8 out of 10. And by the way, Josh, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for the box, dude. Really respect you for that. It's sponsoring Osley's Chevelle parts for the like 40 years anniversary. It's got like Super Sport back there, right here. It's got like a little Chevy racing flags up front here, which is cool. It's a badass car, man. That's the front right there. There's the top, it has some stripes, and here's the back. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Next one up is 1990, what the hell? The 85 Chevy Camaro IROC Z. Now, this one is one I was trying to find as well, and I finally found it in a box. Part of the 1 out of 10 Muscle Mania series. Look at that red coloration to it, and that white stripe going across it with like the gold little stripes surrounding the white stripe. You can barely see it. There's a intakes, or what is that, the vents for the hood. 5-spoke rims, IROC Z28. Hell yeah, dude, this thing is a rockin' car, dude. Love this thing. Look at the front right there. Kind of looks like a little catfish, doesn't it? Got a lot of guys saying that it looks like a catfish from the front. There's tail lights right there, no tampos, but hey, it's a really rocking car, and I'm glad to have it in my collection. Last one up. Now, I'm not a big fan of JDM, but it's a treasure hunt, so I had to take it, and partly because it's a JDM car that literally everyone loves. It's the Mazda MX-5 Miata. You cannot go wrong with that car, I swear. If it's JDM, like, I probably love Mazdas, dude. Like, if, like, you start talking to me about JDM, you know, my favorite car probably has to be the Mazda RX-7, but hey, this one is dope too. So, had to pick it up. It's a great treasure hunt. Congrats to y'all who found it, and I finally have it in my hands. Hell yeah, dude. It's part of the Now series, 10 out of 10. God damn, look at that. It's like a little drift car, hey. It's got two little white stripes going across the top here. Oh, they added the little Mazda logo on the little wing there. That's pretty creative, dude. Hell yeah. MX-5 stripe across it. Sorry about my long nails. I never have time to clip them because of freaking school. But there's a little circle flame logo right there. There's a flame, the little circle flame logo back here peeking out too. Look, you can see a little lettering. It says, congratulations, this symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt car. Man, dude, I can't believe I found this one. But yeah, that's probably like the best, one of the best regular treasure hunts that has come out for this year probably so far. Cause man, that coloration to it and the like, the little basket weave rims on there make it look so nice, like a little drift car. Man, dude, that thing's amazing. Have a look at that. Just have a look, like a look at that. Quick look at that. It's got like a freaking roll cage on there on the back here, like the little guards. God damn. Heck of a car. But yeah, guys, that was it for this video. I have to kind of hurry here. Sorry about that because I got a shitload of homework. It's a Thursday. Freaking hate Thursdays. Thursday is like the worst day to go to school. But hey, I got freaking badass muscle cars right here and a badass treasure hunt for the haul. And yeah, if you guys did like this case unboxing video, please remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. I'm out for this one. Peace. Keep your masks on and get vaccinated.